Yeah, absolutely. We've had a really, really positive reception. So really lovely feedback from parties, because animal welfare is something that unites everyone. We all care about animals, no matter which party, which political landscape we're from. Everybody does. It's a uniting topic, as opposed to a divisive one, which usually happens in politics. So yeah, it's been really nice to talk to them about our manifesto and encouraging them to obviously look into it deeper when we share it with them later. And we now look forward to hopefully seeing our asks within their manifestos as they're shaped over the summer and the coming months.
The RSPCA are one of the biggest animal welfare charities across Wales and the rest of the UK, and they play a big role in animal rights and combating animal cruelty, not just in their hands-on role, but also politically. They're in the Senedd to announce their manifesto, talk to politicians, and hope that their message will resonate and encourage whoever is part of the next Welsh Government to take their ideas on board.
So we're here today in the Senedd to launch our manifesto for next year's election. It's called Securing a Better Future for Animal Welfare in Wales. So there's been some fantastic progress made for animals in Wales over the last Senedd term, and we very much want to see this continued and developed post 2026's election. We are therefore calling on all political parties in Wales, those who will form the next Senedd and the next Welsh Government, to join us in creating a better Wales for every kind of animal. That's from companion animals, farmed animals, wild animals and all in between. Our 6-point plan, as featured in our new manifesto, has legislative actions relevant to all of those that we very much hope to see in party manifestos when they are published, and we urge all parties to work with us to make sure that we are able to continue making progress for our fellow beings in Wales.
They have a number of different points in their manifesto, everything from banning certain farming practices to making pet theft a specific crime in itself, but also want to be given powers to take animals in danger out of cruel situations from their owners to help keep them safe and save on police and local authority services.
So we'd very much like to see our inspectors given limited statutory powers under the Animal Welfare Act, because not many people know that we can't just go into properties and seize animals that are suffering. We are heavily reliant on the police and local authorities, and sometimes that just means bringing them out just to sign a warrant. That takes them away from their important duties while leaving vulnerable animals in limbo for longer. So by giving our inspectors statutory powers, such as being able to serve welfare notices, access animals in certain places and seize animals from certain situations, that would really help us to be there for more animals while relieving the burden on public services. So we hope to see that featured in manifestos.
Devolution is a very complex web of laws, and despite England and Wales being a legal entity in its own right, there are a number of parts of English laws that don't apply to Wales. And one quirk of the Welsh system is that keeping primates as pets is perfectly legal in Wales, something the RSPCA wants stopped immediately.